Hi, Jessica and I here. We're going to show you Unit 101 of
Villas on the Lake.
Yeah, make her say it. Okay. Y'all, I love this place. Okay, first of all, you know I love to look up. So, look at those beams. Aren't they great? And I'm sure I'll use the word fabulous 1,000 times. So you got a nice spot here for a dining area. Look at these lights over the island. And I want y'all to see this great fireplace. Look how pretty. You can change the colors. Okay. So here's the kitchen. This whole unit has been updated. Everything taken down to the studs, redone. Look at those fabulous windows. Did I miss something? I've missed something. We got a stackable washer and dryer.
Full size.
And what do we got in here?
Just a utility closet.
Utility
with your hot water.
closet. Yeah. Okay, now we'll go into this downstairs bath, which can also be used as a guest. And look at this great room. And let me show you the best part. It's the pool, the neighborhood pool, which also has been updated. Sorry, I can't get you out there.
Double closets.
Double closet. See, I'm missing stuff. Good thing Jessica's here. Look at the doors, too. I love the black. Did you see this? Did you see that? This goes out to the pool, which I think technically is the front door, but we came in off the parking lot. And up here is also a cool room with, look at these ceilings. Look at that. Fully furnished. You could buy this unit with this furniture. Isn't this cool? Y'all, come see it. Say bye, Jess.